Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can scan your face to make a Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is so simple and easy, so let's begin. And first open up Snapchat and here tap on your profile icon right there at the top left, and there on that screen tap create my avatar. And now just look at your camera and here select your gender. I'll select male, and now camera is scanning my face, and here below offers me some options. I can select one of three options that Snapchat shows me here. I'll select that one, then tap continue, and now my avatar is ready. I can edit it. Just tap here on edit avatar, and there I can select any kind of options. I can switch the color of the skin. I'll select that one. I can add some hairs or change bird eyes, eyebrows, and so on. So many different options is here. I can change even clothes if I want, and then when I'm done I tap here on save button, and now my avatar, my Bitmoji, is ready. In any time I can tap here to change close to any that I want, like that for example. Tap save, and also here I can tap on that photo icon, and there I can change background for my avatar like that. I like it. And also I can change the pose. You can scroll down to see more. I like that one, and then tap save, and that's how my Bitmoji looks like now. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you, and see you next time.